Oh,
Say
boy.
you're not my real dad.
Whoa. Hey.
It'd be like bread and then two.
Bread to toast. Take it away, Seaman.
Hey, kids. I'm Terry.
And I'm Bread.
And are you wondering how bread becomes toast? We're hired to teach
All right,
you
pause. Slow motion rewind.
You're more than Eddie.
Play.
Durr.
Terry. We're here to tell you how bread becomes toast.
Yeah.
The first step is to find a
Fast
toaster.
forward.
Now, where is toaster? Where is what?
2 times fast forward. 4 times fast forward. Okay, play.
Where is he? Is he underneath the table? We've been looking for 2 hours. We really need to fill up this DVD because this is a very.
Free. Pause. Blooper reel.
So we're finally here to put the bread into the toaster. Here we go. Here it goes. Bread. Bread. Ah! Oh, bread!
Director's commentary.
So what you see here is me getting burned right now, and let me tell you, that was an interesting
I was
time.
terrified, but at the same time, I was still kind of hungry. So
Let me tell you, once you go black, you don't go back.
So at this point, I hit the toaster button
Pause.
and decided to eat the burn.
SAP.
If you burn the toast.
Estamos caliente. Mucho peliculioco.
Taco Bell.
Pause. Rewind. SAP.
Okay.
Play. Normal.
Oh, I'm burning. Help! Help!
And our toast is done.
Oh no, I have butter.
And now we spread a bunch of things on toast, like marmalade.
All right, pause. Fast forward to musical number.
I've eaten toast.
I'm in his stomach.
He's now dead.
I'm rolling through the
He used to be something that we like
Pause.
to call.
Rewind.
Esophagus.